Good morning, class 9C. Today is 4th September. I will continue with the lesson number 10, spherical mirrors. Today we will do numericals related to spherical mirrors given in the page number 155 in your physics book. So question number 6, it says that the radius of curvature of the convex mirror is given, that is 20 centimeter. Now you have to find the focal length. So what is the relationship between the focal length and the radius of curvature? Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. That is f is equal to r by 2. Now we will substitute the value of radius of curvature, that is 20 centimeter, in this expression. Now we will simplify. So focal length of convex mirror is coming out 10 centimeter. So this is the answer of the question number 6. Now question number 7. This says that find the radius of curvature of concave mirror. Now we have to find radius of curvature. When the focal length of concave mirror is given to us 20 centimeter. So we know the relation f is equal to r by 2. So radius of curvature will be twice of the focal length, that is r is equal to 2f. Now we will substitute the value of the focal length that is given in this question, 20 centimeter. After multiplying, the radius of curvature will come out as 40 centimeter. So r is 40 centimeter. This is the answer of the numerical number 7. Now question number 18. That numerical says that an object height is given to us 2 centimeter. So object height will take as O, that is given to us 2 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means U is given to us 20 centimeter of concave mirror. Now it is a concave mirror. So what I have told you, for object distance, the U will be negative. U will be negative. F focal length will be negative. Clear? So you will take object distance minus 20 centimeter. Now focal length of the mirror is given to us 12 centimeter. So you will take minus 12 centimeter. And we have to find the position, size and the nature of the image form. That means we have to find V, clear, image height and nature. So we know the formula, mirror formula, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So we have to find image distance, that is V. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Now we will substitute the value of the focal length and object distance. So focal length is minus 12. So it will be minus 1 upon 12 minus sign of the formula. Then object distance is minus 20. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 12. Minus minus will become plus 1 upon 20. Now you will take LCM 240. When you divide it, it will come minus 20 on the numerator plus, now you divide by 20. So 12, 12 into 1 is 12. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 8 over 240. Therefore, V is equal to 240 over minus 8. That means it will come out to be minus 30 centimeter. That means image distance is minus 30 centimeter. So that means 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. Clear? Now we have to find the image height, I. So we know the formula for magnification, I over O, image height over object height, is equal to minus V upon U. So we have to find I Object height is given 2 centimeter. This is a minus of the formula. Now we will substitute the value of the image distance over object distance. So I will be equal to this minus cancel. Minus 30 into 2 over 20. 0 cancel, 2 cancel. I is equal to minus 3 centimeter. So what will be your answer? The image height is 3 centimeter in height. Why I and V is coming in negative? Because it is a real image. In case of concave mirror, if the image is real, then your image height and the image distance will come in negative. Clear? So this is your answer of the numerical number 18.